Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door.
Hi everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and today I'm making a vintage pie. It's called French coconut pie, and this is a pie that I used to make for New Year's Day dinner a lot, because I usually had a lot of coconut left over, and I would take that coconut and I would make this pie with it. And also, this is a pie that Calvin's granny used to make all the time, and we all enjoyed it. It's just a quick, easy, good little pie. Okay, and so the ingredients in it is going to be 3 eggs, coconut, sugar. I have 1.5 cups in this bowl, a stick of butter, vanilla extract, and of course a pie shell. And also I have, vinegar, which I don't remember this in my pie, but it's been a long time since I've made it. But this recipe that I got, it does call for 1 teaspoon of vinegar in it. So anyway, it's been a long time since I made it, so I probably put it in there. I just don't remember. So let me get started on this easy pie. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is I'll put 1 1/2 cups of sugar in my bowl. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is add in my egg. This is 3 beaten eggs. This recipe will be in the description below. And then I'm going to add in my butter. This is 1 stick of melted butter. Okay. Now then I'm going to add in my vinegar and my vanilla flavoring and my coconut. And this calls for a pinch of salt. So that's a pinch of salt. Come in, let's stir it up. Y'all wouldn't believe what it's doing here in Georgia today. We're getting snow flurries, and it's so beautiful. I know some of you are probably sick of the snow, but when we get it, we're usually very happy to get it. A little of it anyway. Stir up now. So I'm going to put it in my pie shell, and I did prick my pie with the fork. Smooth this all out. Alright, I'm going to put this in a 350-degree oven for about an hour, and just watch your pie and make sure that your stove is doing the right thing, because mine, I have to watch it. So I'll be back in just a minute when this pie's done. My pie has been in the oven for about an hour, and I did have to cover it because it was getting cooked a little brown on the top, so I said, you know, I'd have to watch my oven. So I covered it, and it is still snowing outside, and it's been snowing the whole time my pie's been in the oven. And it's still beautiful, and we've got it dusting just a barely little bit on my neighbor's roof over there. But anyway, it's exciting for me. Okay, I'm going to take my pie guard off. And this is, I do it yourself made pie guard. So I'm going to let this cool for about an hour, and I'll be back to do the taste test. Okay, my pie has been cooling for about 2 hours now, and this is the pie that we're going to have tonight for dessert, but I'm going to go ahead and do the taste test today. It's coming out kind of crumbly, but that happens sometimes. They don't always come out perfect. But anyway, let me have a taste of this. That is so delicious, even though it wanted to be a little stubborn and not come out. But it is really tasty. I'll turn it around this way. So do what you love and love what you do, and y'all have a great day. Bye. On the grass.